Okay, for this one, we're going to use a number line to show the calculations. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 examples and then you're going to have a go at doing this yourself. So this is before we think about writing out the question. So I want you to be able to do it showing me with a number line. So for the first one, the trick is to look at the highest denominator, which is 7/8. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to split it into 8ths because that's my highest denominator. Okay, so this is my number line and I'm splitting it into 8ths. Okay, so I'm going to put my 8ths in green. So this is 0, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and we won't write 8/8, we'd write 1 whole. Okay, right, so I know I've got 7/8 and I need to take a quarter away. Now, that might be quite tricky because actually we don't have quarters on here. However, we do know that 4 goes into 8. So actually this number line can also represent quarters. So I'm going to do that in a different colour. So 0, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1. So on this line, a quarter is represented by 2/8. So actually, this is the same as saying 2/8. And this will help us when it comes on to doing these types of questions where we just write the equivalent fraction. So I'm on 7/8. I need to take a quarter away, which now I know is 2 parts or 2/8. So I count back 2, 1, 2. So my answer to the first one, so 7/8, take away a quarter, is 5/8. Okay, so let's do it for the add-in question. Okay, we're going to do this in a very similar way. So I look for the biggest denominator, which is 6. So I'm going to split my line into 6. So that's split into 6. You'll always find that the pair of number you've got will go into each other, okay, for now. And then they'll get more tricky. So I'm going to do my 6ths. 0, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 7. Very silly. 1. Nearly said 7/6 then. Okay, so we're starting off. Oh, hold on, we're not starting off at 6ths. We're starting off at thirds, but we've split it into 6s first to make it easier, and then we're going to do thirds. So 0, 1/3, 2/3, a whole. Okay, so I'm starting on a third, and I'm going to add 1/6, which is just one little marker. So if I do a third, add a 6th, my answer is 3/6. So I know that a third is represented by 2/6. And can you see what I'm trying to do here? I've made my denominators the same, which makes it much easier when you come to add them up. So I can see that 1/3 add 1/6 is equal to 3/6. Now, I would like to all think that you know this, that 3/6 is exactly the same as a half. You don't have to do this bit, but if you can cancel your fraction down, that would be amazing. So have a go at the questions now.